Hi everyone, happy Saturday. It's Soto's Creative Corner. Thank you for being here. This is part 2 of my glue book. I pretty much have it done. Got the cover pretty much done and the pages pretty much filled. There are some that I still have to complete, and that'll be the third video that I make. So I thought I'd just do a quick flip through and show you what I have completed in this glue book. So let's go ahead and open the book. So I have a slot right here and a dolly, and I'm going to put another page for coloring, and I'm going to fill this up with a saying, some writing, and underneath this page I have the recipe for fried rice with Canadian bacon. This is a little bit of that easy marble painting right here. We have friends or angels in disguise. And I don't know if you can see the mica on the paper, but the background paper is made with alcohol inks and mica powder. On the next page, I have a little slot and a pocket. And a slot. Another slot. Another slot. And I'm not sure what I want to do with this. I want to add something, but not sure yet. And then we have another pocket. A place to write. More writing. A fold out. I want to decorate that as well. This is that easy marble paper. It's a book origami. This red background is actually the magazine, and I just went ahead and stuck this envelope with that easy marble paint on top. I made a little pocket right there. More writing. And this is made with marble paper, but with onion typing paper. Have another slot going on right here. I mean pocket. We have a pocket right here. And I love this saying here in the magazine, so I kept it. It says, "The transatlantic crossing where the endless sky sweeps across a mystic sea, awakening the adventurous spirit in those fortunate enough to make the voyage." So on this page we have another pocket, and this is actually a fairy that I received from Nana's Cook and Craft Corner in the package of Happy Meal. I like this different trucks and cars and so on, so I kept that, and as well as the coffee. Another little place to write. Butterfly with some music sheet. Another little place to write. And then I have this little banner that I created just for fun. More journaling here. And then some more marble paint, and this is a fold out, but I'm not sure what I want to do with this. It's something I have to work on yet. More writing space, another pocket, beautiful photograph, and more journaling to do. This original page right here with some origami paper here. This is that marble paint, but on onion paper. That's why you can see through it. And then this is the same size paper here that I cut down to attach this little index card to it. So I'll go ahead, and when I do my last video, I'll go ahead and have something there. More journaling here. There's some more journaling we can have done there. Some coloring that I did that I still have to put something on there. And I think this folds out, so you can do more journaling here. Some coloring. I added a plane, and I still want to do a little more embellishing, and a helicopter. And then I added this flip. Some more journaling space, and a fold out, and a tuck. I think we're coming to the end. And then with that cutting that I showed you, you can get fancy and do something like this. And then this is a pocket. And this is the end. And then I got this beautiful Mother Nature piece, fairy-like, from my friend Sylvie from Ireland. And my friend Sylvie, she's a great crafter. Her channel name is Mixed Media and Crafts. So go ahead and say hi to Sylvie. So thank you for taking the time to look at my glue book with me. The first one I've done. It's really a lot of fun. Actually a lot faster than putting a journal together. And I'll probably do another one. I have to, I didn't tell you about the tie. This, I put a hole here and a hole here, and it sits right on the outside of the book pages. But this is just temporary. I just wanted to show you what it looked like with the cover attached. I'm going to go ahead and get back to my paper doll quilling. I just want to say thank you to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have put this glue book together. I appreciate her channel and her enthusiasm to do craft and cooking and to share her talents with us in the YouTube community. So if you have time, go by and say hi, and if you're not subscribed to her, you'll enjoy her company. She does a lot of live stream. And if you're not subscribed to me, I would appreciate it as well. Leave a comment down below if any questions, or maybe you have a tip that you can share with me on how you assemble your glue book. Stay crafty, have a great day, God bless you, and until the next one, Soto's Creative Corner saying be blessed. Bye for now.